Perfect a 15 minutes enough room to teach, motivate, and keep viewers engaged. I'll expand your bell. Let's be real. Belly fat is not just about looks. That bulge around your waist is more than just stubborn fat. It's a health alarm. It surrounds your liver, your intestines, and even your heart. Doctors call it visceral fat, and it silently increases your risk for high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and even cancer. Now listen closely. If you're serious about flattening your belly and protecting your health, this is the moment to act. Pause for a moment, grab a pen, or save this video, because the plan I'm about to share is simple, practical, and proven. If you follow it consistently, you will see your waistline shrink, your energy rise, and your health transform. Part 1. The Truth About Belly Fat. 1 sao, 3 yao. First, let's clear something up. Belly fat is not just about calories. It's about hormones, food choices, sleep, and stress. You may notice some people eat a lot but don't gain belly fat, while others gain around their waist quickly. That's because belly fat is triggered by things like too much sugar and processed carbs, stress hormones like cortisol, poor sleep and late-night eating, lack of daily movement. This plan addresses all of these, step by step. Part 2. Fix your plate. First, 3 gaos, 6 wows. 70% of belly fat loss happens in the kitchen, not the gym. Here's how to eat for a flatter belly. Fill half your plate with vegetables: spinach, okra, cabbage, cucumber. These are rich in fiber and keep you full. Add lean protein, fish, chicken, eggs, beans, or lean beef. Protein builds muscle and boosts metabolism. Add healthy carbs in moderation: brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, plantain. Avoid refined carbs like white bread, pastries, noodles, and sugary drinks. Snack smart. Choose nuts, seeds, or fruits like apple, pawpaw, and watermelon. And here's the killer tip. Stop eating late at night. Your body doesn't burn fat while you sleep if you just filled it with food. Give your belly a break. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Part 3. Timing is everything. 6, 7:30. Not just what you eat, but when you eat matters. Try eating within a 10-12 hour window, for example. Breakfast at 8 a.m., last meal by 7 p.m. That's a form of intermittent fasting that lets your body burn stored fat overnight. And before meals, drink a full glass of water. You'll feel fuller and eat less without even trying. Part 4. Move your body daily. 7:30, 10 bars. Food sets the stage, but movement accelerates belly fat loss. Here's the formula. Walking, 30 minutes every day, or 6,000, 8,000 steps. Simple, effective, and powerful. Strength training, at least 3 times a week. Squats, push-ups, planks, lunges. Building,